So today we're going to make arroz blanco con verdura. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start by showing you the ingredients that you're going to need. So for my specific size that I'm going to be making for my entire family, we're using 2 1/3 cups of rice, and then 3 cloves of garlic that's been minced. I know I didn't do a great job, but it does the job. And then this is like 1/2 of a cup of chopped onion, and then a can of mixed vegetables, and this is going to be our seasoning right here. And it doesn't have to be this big, but we just use it quite often, so we get the big one, but it looks like this. They sell it in smaller sizes and even like little cubes. Okay, so the first step is we are going to take our rice and put it in our pan. That's quite a bit that I'm making, but you can always adjust it down. You're going to need a lot less if you're not making it for a lot of people, but everyone here likes rice, so we have quite a bit in here. And then we're going to go ahead and grab our oil and just add that in there. We're going to be frying the rice and turning it on to a high heat. I personally like that because it fries it up a lot faster and gets things done quickly. So now, during the duration of the cooking and frying of the rice, you're just going to keep stirring it all around so that it doesn't burn. And by preference, I like the rice to be covered in the oil, all of it completely covered, which we can see here that it is. And it's just going to help it fry and get a nice brown color rather than just straight away burn. And so right now we can just leave it sit there as it heats up, but over time you're going to start seeing the rice get a little bit of color. Okay, so now as it's cooking, you start to see a difference in color on the grain. So it started off this sort of just like these, and then turned into more an opaque white color, sort of pearly. And then from that, it's going to start changing into the light brown color that you want to see. We're starting to get that already. So just keep stirring, making sure it doesn't burn and that all your rice is being fried. Now, if you do see that some of the grains are turning a lot more brown faster than the rest, like I see over here, just turn down your heat. We do want a nice even browning of everything. Maybe I shouldn't say brown, but like golden color. And so I just lowered my heat a little bit to medium high. And then once we get a little bit more color in there, we're gonna add our onion and garlic. Okay, now that we have a little bit more color before it gets too dark, we're gonna add in our onion and our garlic. And then just stir that in to add a little bit more color to the rice, but also to the onion and garlic. Okay, now that we have it to this nice golden brown color, we're gonna add our can of vegetables. And we're just going to stir that in. And then add your water. Now this is still too little water, so I'm just going to continue adding more until I get it to the level I want it. I usually go up to about here so that it's nice and moist. Okay, last step is we're going to add our seasoning. This one I would say is really up to your own taste. So kind of just sprinkle some in and then stir it and get a little taste of the water to see if it needs a little bit more salt or if it has a good flavor. And now you're just going to let it cook on medium heat for about 30 to 40 minutes, covered up. Covered up is very important. Okay, now that it's been 30 minutes, we're going to check on the rice. And let's see. Yep, no water. All done. So this is pretty much what it should look like, but we're not going to eat it until dinner, and now you can just turn it off and enjoy. Small little portion of the rice. Here we go. Okay, taste test. Taste test. This is the rice. It's good.
Try the rice. I mean, the meat.
Perfectly timed. Not too much water.
You should try the meat.
Yes, that's a problem for a lot of people. Too much water.
But this one does not have that problem.
Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Some other ideas of whatever you guys would want to see would be awesome. I'm trying to keep things rolling and put out videos that are interesting with the limitations of our quarantine. But yeah, please leave suggestions down below, and I hope you guys try out the rice yourselves and enjoy it. Bye!